When Daisy, our family dog, was diagnosed with terminal cancer, I struggled to accept it. On her final day, we spent hours at her favorite park. She chased a ball, her tired legs still eager, and sat in the sun, her tail wagging. As the vet arrived, Daisy placed her head on my lap, her eyes peaceful. The silence that followed was crushing, but I realized how much love she had given us. That evening, as I sat by her empty bed, I wrote a promise to cherish every moment, because love is fleeting but its impact lasts forever.